Deep pore blackhead extraction. Watch every clogged pore clear. Something is hiding beneath the surface. The skin looks normal from a distance, but when the camera moves closer, a hidden layer appears. Tiny clogged pores, oil buildup, blackheads waiting beneath the surface. This is not just a cleaning session. This is a journey into the pores. Finding the problem areas. Every face is different. Some pores are barely visible, others hold years of congestion. The treatment begins by finding the areas that need the most attention, because every clogged pore has its own story. The first release, the first clogged pore clears, then another, then another. Slowly, the pressure inside the pores begins to disappear. The transformation doesn't happen in one moment, it happens through hundreds of small changes. The deepest congestion. Some pores are easy, some require patience. The deepest blackheads have been sitting quietly beneath the surface, until today. With careful extraction, even stubborn congestion begins to clear. Watching the skin change, the most satisfying part isn't just the extraction, it's seeing the skin slowly return. The rough texture starts becoming smoother, the pores look cleaner, the face begins to look refreshed. The final pore reveal. A few minutes ago, these pores were filled with buildup. Now, they look cleaner and refreshed. Every cleared pore represents a small transformation, and together, they create a completely different result. Ending message: clear skin doesn't happen overnight. It comes from understanding your skin, taking proper care, and giving every pore the attention it needs. If you enjoyed watching every clogged pore clear, subscribe for more realistic deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal transformations, and satisfying skincare treatments.